So I know this is the weirdest camera angle that you've ever seen me use, and you're seeing all kinds of things in my kitchen you've never seen, like water jugs, because the water main in town broke the other day, and I'm still nervous it might spring a leak and we won't have water again, and the trash can on a chair, because that's how I keep it away from one of my dogs, and my grandson's stool that he uses to get up here and help me stir things on the sink. But today I'm going to show you a fantastic pasta salad. It is, do you like club sandwiches? There's a club sandwich called a California Club, and it has the most delicious things on it. It has bacon, crunchy bacon. It has tomato, lettuce, lunch meat, like chicken, ham, that kind of thing, and avocado. And I have created a pasta salad using those ingredients, and I'm going to show you how. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cook the pasta. That's what's going in here. I've got bacon going over there in the air fryer, because that's how you keep from making such a terrible mess. And if you'll give me just a minute while this pasta cooks, then I'll be back and I'll show you how to do the rest of it. It's delicious. We love it. The family goes crazy over it, so I bet yours will too. And it's a great recipe to have on hand for hot summer days like this. And we'll be right back.
There we are. The pasta is all done. It cooked for about 10 minutes. And now I'm going to drain it. And it's really important to rinse it with cold water afterward. The point is, we want to cool the pasta salad down, and we want to rinse all that extra starch off of the pasta. Here I've added some ice, and that's going to help cool it down quicker, because I'm getting ready to take it somewhere. So now I'm going to cut up my veggies and other things that go in this pasta salad. I'm using 1 whole tomato diced. You could also use cherry tomatoes cut in half, about a container of those. I'm mincing half of an onion. I'm using a white onion here, but you could use purple onion or green onion stalks, just however much onion you feel like you need, but a half of onion is about the right amount. I'm using an entire avocado. I'm cutting this up into chunks, and then you're going to see that I'm going to put some lemon juice, about a tablespoon of lemon juice over the top, and that's going to help it keep from turning brown in the pasta salad so quickly. Although it's still going to turn brown. That's just avocado. We're also going to, I'm going to make the sauce now. I kind of forgot what I was going to do. That's a cup of mayonnaise and a packet of Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, and then I add a little bit of milk to the recipe to thin it down. It was just too thick, so eyeball yours and see if it's too thick. If it is, add a little milk. Then we added some spinach, about a cup of spinach, and that's about 4 slices of lunch meat ham, and that's 4 slices of crispy cooked bacon. There's our sauce. There's how you make it. Now, the pasta is cooled, and we're adding it to the veggies, and the sauce is ready to go, and you just mix that all up. It couldn't be easier than that, could it? It's delicious, and then you just keep it refrigerated and covered. Always cover pasta salad. There it is. I hope you enjoy.
All right, well, again, I apologize about the crazy camera angle. My other camera holder is broken. I'll have to be ordering another one today. But anyway, the pasta salad, the club pasta salad is done. It's beautiful. I'll put it in a better dish for serving and for photos. But let's give it a try. See how it tastes. I already know it's fantastic because I made it the other day for our family dinner. That's good. I like spicy, so I almost think it could use some hot sauce. But I won't do that today because I'm going to serve this to some guys who are working on a house, and I don't know if they're into spicy. I'm into spicy. If you like spicy, I would give it a little dose of sriracha. But it's fantastic. If you like ranch dressing, you're gonna love this. In pasta salad, you're gonna love this pasta salad. You can also make it with romaine. I think romaine makes it a little bit more crunchy. But you don't want to put the lettuce in it if it's gonna have to last for a few days, because lettuce after a day or so in a pasta salad gets all wilty. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this. I'm gonna put it in a pan like this, and then I have the ice, you know, the ice things to put under it. You want to keep it cold, especially in hot weather like this, because it'll spoil. It's got mayonnaise in it. You cannot freeze this. It has mayonnaise in it, so it won't freeze, but it will keep several days in your refrigerator. Use the best tomato you can find. Tomatoes are getting good now, so that's good, but if you can't find a good tomato and the tomatoes you come up with are all grainy, then use cherry tomatoes, because they have great flavor, a little pop when you bite into them. Purple onion, green onion, any kind of onion you have will work in it. I'm using ham today because I wanted to put rotisserie chicken, but my store was out of them, and I didn't want to roast a whole chicken for pasta salad. So just like you would do a sandwich, you just change things out a little bit. I told you about I use spinach. The best is really romaine because it's more crunchy. Again, my store was out of that. My store's out of a lot of things. Anyway, you can use any noodle you want to use. You just want to make sure you have one that's going to hold the dressing in it, because that's what gives it all the flavor. And the avocado, just if you're going to add the avocado and it has to travel a little bit or wait a little bit to be eaten, then do just exactly like I did. Cut the avocado up and put lemon juice on it. That'll help keep it from turning brown so quickly. It's still going to turn brown, but if you're worried about that, just don't add the avocado. If you need to know how to cook crispy bacon, take a look around on Loaves and Dishes, and you'll find it in there. I do mine in the air fryer. Do it in the air fryer every single time because I contain the mess in there, that I don't have grease spatter all over the top of my stove. And anyway, I thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, just leave them below. I'd love to know what your favorite pasta salad is, what your favorite pasta salad ingredients are. And if you have a new pasta salad you've tried, or if you try this one, I want to know what you think. So leave a comment. And I hope I showed you how to cook the noodles for macaroni salad. You don't want to overcook them, because if you overcook them, they'll fall apart, and then they don't do good in a macaroni salad that way. But anyway, so get a pan like this if you're going to give it to somebody, and then they can eat what they want, and when it's all gone, they can just toss the whole thing, or they can wash it and reuse it for later. And I'll get a picture of it and we'll be good. So thank you for joining me. I love talking to you. So leave me a comment and I'll be sure to answer all of them. Or if Sarah gets to it first, Sarah will answer it. But I'll ask her to please leave these comments for me so I can answer them. Anyway, thank you. And maybe by the next video or two, I'm going to be doing another video today. It won't be the next one. But maybe by next week, I can have a new video arm hung up so that I can make appropriate videos. But anyway, I think you got the idea. Bye. I'll see you soon. Take care.